Oh, Math God, guys, welcome to another video tutorial. Today we're gonna be learning a lot. But before we begin the video, guys, it's very important that you make sure you subscribe, you leave a like, you leave a comment, and please, guys, don't forget to click on that notification bell button. That way you're notified every single time OHMATHGAD uploads a video. So without further ado, let's begin.
Oh my God.
Welcome back, everyone. Today's video is going to be a short but effective practice about finding segment lengths. So without further ado, let's begin. So in this case, guys, we are going to find two segments. So FG and EH. And as you can see in this case, they're not whole numbers. So it's less complicated if we use the formula directly, which we saw in the last video. So I'm going to try to leave a link in the description. Also check out the link right here. So in order to find the value for fg, we're going to see what is the coordinate of g. So the coordinate of g is going to be 2, and then the coordinate of f is going to be this one. And as you can see, that is going to be -1. Because it's -1, -2, -3, and -4. And then the positive ones are going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again, in order to find the length of fg, we're going to subtract the coordinate of g, which is 2, minus the coordinate of f, which is going to be -1. And we're going to take the absolute value out of that. So that's going to be 2 plus 1, and that is going to be the absolute value of 3, which again is positive 3. Because we have integers here, we can just count the steps 1, 2, 3, and we can verify that the length of segment FG is going to be 3. Now, what about EH? We found out that FG had a length of 3. What about EH? EH goes to 3 1/2 from -1 1/3. So as the formula says, we're gonna find the coordinate of h, which is 3 1/2, and we're gonna subtract the coordinate e, which is -1 1/3. And then because we have the absolute value, we're going to have a positive distance inside. So we have negative, negative, that's going to be positive 1 1/3, right? And then because we have two mixed numbers, we're going to combine them into improper fractions. So 2 times 3, that's 6, plus 1, that's 7 divided by 2, plus 3 times 1 plus 1, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, that's 4, divided by 3. And we continue here on the right. And then we're gonna add 7 halved plus 4 thirds, and that is actually going to be the absolute value of 29 divided by 6. And if you want to express that as a decimal, that's going to be 4.83, repeating. So that is going to be the length of segment EH. Again, you're going to have a positive value because the lengths are always going to be positive. Remember that. Never put a negative length because that is going to be incorrect. So guys, try practicing this formula. It's a pretty simple one, but sometimes people get confused very easily with the signs. So make sure you practice and you will dominate this in no time. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow OHMATHGAD in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!